Tiny Tuesday, cleaning out the closet under the stairs. This is the closet we are going to organize. And this, whoop, the light went out. I don't like that. Turn on light, stay on. And hi, I'm Sharon, and welcome to my channel. And we are down in the basement. Well, it's not really a basement, it's my son's area. And there's a closet under the stairs that we are going to clean out. And then we're going to move all the stuff from this spare bedroom that's boxes and bins and stuff of Christmas decorations, and we're going to put them in the closet I just showed you. So first we're going to have to empty out the closet in the hallway. So I can start that. Then I want to get the light turned on, plugged in. This can go outside. Not sure where that's going to go. Give these back to Leah so don't use them. Where can I plug my light in? Got an extension cord on it. Oh, I think this one's pretty long, isn't it? What about this room? Does it have a plug?
It does.
Behind here, or is it way down the wall? Oh, it's way down there.
Can you see it?
It's in the middle of the bed, I'm sure. Well, we got the light turned on. I have my circle light downstairs, so I got it plugged in and turned on. And now I'm going to start emptying the closet out because it has a whole bunch of stuff in it. And the light is one of those lights, is a motion light, so of course it doesn't stay on all the time, so I have lots of fun with that. But anyhow, I'll just work with what I've got. So now I'm just taking everything out. We have everything from golf clubs to fishing poles and bins with shoes in them and photo albums, and I would like to get all my Christmas decorations put in the back of the closet because we use the golf clubs and stuff during the summer. Anyhow, after that big long stuff, I'd like to welcome you all to my channel and welcome any new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing. And anyone who watches till the end, I send out a big hug. Says I'm still working on my watch hours. So, and I'd like to invite you to subscribe. It's free. And like and leave a comment. Tell me what you're getting into this Tuesday. Anyhow, this closet has lots of stuff in it, and I'm going to recycle some stuff. We're going to put some stuff in the garbage, and we're going to put some stuff back in the closet. And you'll get to see my lovely messy laundry room, and that's going to get done one of these days. Use that pillow upstairs. Oh, this is my shelves. I'll put those on the deck this year. What is the price on these? He must not have taken it off. That's my sciatica.
What?
Gotta get rid of all these foams. We don't need them anymore. Bending like this hurts my sciatica. Yeah, it's fishing poles. Go through. Put those two together too. One inside the other. Well, I asked my son to put the suitcases one inside the other. And the darn things don't go inside each other. So I still have 3 suitcases I have to store under the stairs. That was kind of disappointing. Okay. Well, this closet goes right into a little cubby hole at the back. It's big enough for a person to kneel down. So, of course, there's stuff put in there too. So we have to haul it all out. And I'm finding some Christmas decor that I was missing last year and wondering where it was. And it was still under there. There's a little bit of Easter stuff that I'm going to put out. If you watched my Sunday home reset, you would have seen some of the decorations. And now I'm just finding some more home decor that I put in a bin, and I'm in the process of organizing all that stuff to get it put somewhere where we can find it easily. And there I'm fooling with the light. The light gives me a lot of trouble. But, oh well, I need the light under there so I can see what I'm doing. Okay, let's just get on with this video and on with taking everything out of the closet and getting it done. Okay, that's the back. We're going to get back there and we're going to get back in there and see what's in there. I found my spring and summer cushion covers. So, put them in a cushion and we'll put them on my bed. Okay, the cupboard's all empty and the light went on. One of those motion light things. Cupboard's all empty and we can start putting Christmas stuff in there. Some bins I'm going to sort through. I just stuck in my laundry room, which yes is a disaster, and I'm going to go through it. And I've got some Easter decor and fall decor in there that I'm going to get into bins. The tree here is going to go to the dump. This stuff will probably go to the thrift store. I should open this bag and see what's in it. It's heavy. It looks like bags. Good grief, how many bags does a household need? I think these are all bags. What a pain. We can see what's in this bag. Looks like a bunch of bags to me. Gonna have to rip it, which is annoying. But if it's bags, I can put them in the bag. They'll need to be in a plastic bag. Must be more than bags in here. Okay. Oh. Okay, these are old socks. Oh, and these are clothes. This stuff can all go. This stuff can all go to the thrift store. Good. That can go out in the van. That's good. all old clothes. This goes in my craft room. These I'm going to give back to my niece. And this and this and this can go out on the deck. Oh, you can't even see what I'm talking about. I'm going to give these back to my niece. And I'm going to get this weed killer, the watering can, and this out on the deck. And then I can put it out for summer. And this can go in my craft room. It's got many doilies in it. And we can use them for pottery or decorating or whatever. So I'm going to put this stuff out of the way. So hubby came downstairs and he crawled under there and got in that cubby hole, and I'm just passing him all the boxes that have our Christmas decor in, and he's neatly piling it all up back there in the back of that closet. And there are many boxes and some bins, and it's so nice to get them out of the extra bedroom. And it was kind of perfect timing because our nephew from Cranbrook decided he's going to come up and see us. Our nephew, our grandson from Cranbrook. That's funny. Anyhow, it's wonderful. I'm excited to see my grandson. Haven't seen him for a while. It's always nice when he comes and spends some time up here with Nana and Papa and Uncle. Okay, we got all the Christmas decorations way in the back. And we got our golf clubs out front and Dave's fishing gear. So that worked pretty good. And we got rid of a bunch of the foamies that were just taking up room. So well, we got all the boxes and everything out of the bedroom, which is good. And I still have a few things here that I think I'm just going to put in that cupboard. And I need to put a sheet on the bed for when my grandson comes. So I'm going to take this stuff, kind of fold it up and put it away. And as you can tell, this is a different day. Yeah. Let's see, that can go upstairs. It can go in the garbage, 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 garbage. Down here, I want to fix this lamp. See if I can fix the lampshade and take that upstairs. Okay, we got pillows here. I don't want these pillows right now. Put them here. I'd like to mention at this time that this is a collaboration, Tiny Tidy Tuesday, and there are other collaborators who get together, and Sunday Dawn puts us all in a playlist, so the playlist will be in my comments down below. So all you have to do is click on it, and it'll bring up all the other Tiny Tidiers for this week. And you will get lots of motivation and different ideas of how to just tidy one little space in your home at a time. And it just makes it so much easier. So please watch the playlist. And please subscribe to my channel and all their channels and give us all a big thumbs up. We really like that because it encourages us to keep on going. Good. I think I'll take the sheet that's on here off from his last visit. A couple of pillows. He usually brings his own. Getting the sheet off of this mattress was lots of fun, very tricky. And then putting the clean sheet on wasn't too bad. I got smart and I pulled the bed out, so then it was a bit easier to do. And also putting the blue blanket back on was okay. I got it all figured out, and oh well, it was some good exercise. Anyhow, I'd like to thank you again, and if you watched till the end, thank you, and send a big huge YouTube hug out to all my regular subscribers. I'm so appreciative that you watch my videos and maybe get some encouragement to get some things done around your house. I'm a 71-year-old married woman of 53 years, going to be 54 this year, and I still do my own housework and enjoy life. So hopefully that'll give you some encouragement. Okay, so that's my Tiny Tidy Tuesday for this week. It is a collaboration, and it is hosted by Sunday Dawn, and there will be a playlist of all the other creators who do Tiny Tidies on Tuesday. And thank you, Sunday Dawn, so much for hosting this every week. It helps me get things done around the house, which is so great. Okay, we'll see you in my next video, which will be Fairy Garden Thursday. And I'm revamping my bunny daycare, if you follow my videos on Thursday for Fairy Garden Thursday. Okay, thanks again. Sunday Dawn from the Helpful Home. And we'll see you again. Bye.